Hey, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Hey Transformers fans, welcome back to another episode of MixelPix Transformers Time Warp. I'm Mike, and this is Bertha. So let's bring this pile down to the smallest size it's been in a long time, and take care of this box right here on the top, this yellowish one, the yellow tape there. This is a beast. Did you hear that weight? That's amazing. So this immense package is from show.z.com. I'm not sure if there's really a middle here. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I don't know if you're familiar with what this model number might be, but HQ05R Blue, I think that might be the code for Swoop from Gigasource. So at least one of their versions of Swoop. So give you an idea of maybe what's in the box, but there you go. I believe this is a box from Giga Power. Some custom packaging. I do like the fact that they put these corner protectors in the boxes, and they did that with this shipment, so I'm looking forward to some decent boxes. All right, it is indeed HQ5R Blue Swoop, as well as a couple of his brothers. HQ01R Superator, their version of Grimlock, and Graviter HQ04R, their version of Sludge. Yeah. So I've been really excited to finally get to unbox these. If you've been watching the channel, you might know that I already have one of these. So I've already got Slag, and the only one I'm missing now is Snarl. So I have that one on, or had it on pre-order with TF Direct or show.z store or something like that. And we'll see when that comes in. But so far, I'm very excited to open these up, see what they're like in hand, and see if they hold to expectations, or try not to have too much expectations, but see if they're going to be a good representation for my G1 collection. All right, well, that's it. We'll wait for another time to actually unbox these. And until then, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, get out there and collect, because as much as I hate to be a proponent of FOMO, fear of missing out, this collecting world moves fast. So yeah, get out there, look for your options, see what you want, and try to make it happen. All right, thanks for joining me, and happy collecting, everybody.